Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate NPV in Excel. Open an Excel sheet. Let's say we want to have this 4 years NPV. Let's put the formula which is equals to NPV, open parenthesis, and it wants us to select the range which is 12%, put a comma, and select the values and close the parenthesis, and then put a plus sign and select the cell of your initial investment and click on enter. It is actually shown in percentage because it is here is shown in percentage. Make it general. As you can see, it's now in NPV option, NPV format, in this dollar or taka format, whatever you want in it to be. Well, this is the NPV of these values or of the project's money. So yeah, hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.